Hello, long time no see. To address the elephant in the room, this is a new location. This is our new 26-foot growing spaces growing dome. I am unable to capture it very well because I don't have one of those newfangled selfie sticks and my arms are going to die if I try to give you guys the full rundown. So I'm popping on here today because a lot has happened around here since the last time I made a video, and I am soon going to have a lot more that I can share, but I am trying to figure out what, if anything, would be of interest to what audience I have. Among other things, we are getting chickens. This is going to be planted out hopefully within a month. I have recently gotten started in a Nourishing Tradition slash Weston A Price slash GAPS health protocol, and have had, knock on wood, good results so far. So I can talk about that as well. I've started doing milk kefir. There's a lot of things at which I am currently a student that I'm learning as I'm going, and they might be interesting to watch, but I'm not an authority on them at present. So my curiosity to those of you who watch, in as much as anyone watches at all, is what you would like to see, and whether you would like more instruction or vlogs or inspiration, just homestead porn, because there's going to be a lot to look at, and I don't have a lot of people to share it with. And if there's anyone out there who would like to see a dome greenhouse get planted out, or chickens get raised from the chick stage, or a learn as you go Weston A Price diet, I'm on that journey, and I'm happy to share my experience in as much as it's valuable to any of you. Another facet of my homesteading and homemaking that I haven't really put much of on this channel is my spiritual practice. I'm something of a agnostic witchcraft practitioner. I don't take it super seriously, but I am a believer in the placebo effect, at least, and as you know, for my own experience. So that lens informs a lot of the choices I make in the homesteading and homemaking realms. And I have a lot of layered practices that are simultaneously practical and placebo. And I think some of that will leak through, whether I intend it to or not. But if that's something of interest to folks, I'm happy to share that little kind of secret layer that's in there. And I know that's going to be disappointing to some viewers who are principally here for the homemaking and homesteading, might have more of a conservative view. I apologize if that's the case. I don't think that one need cancel out the other. It just happens to be an intersection that I am cultivating at present for myself. So there will be things to talk about and things to watch, ideally within a month or two. It just depends on whether you guys are really interested in watching a novice kind of fuck around and find out. So if that's of interest, let me know. Let me know what flavor of things you'd like to see. If you wanted to see cute baby chick footage, or the how and the why of the decisions I've made. I've done a lot of research on a lot of things lately. Or we can do probably in a month or two a review of the growing dome. Anything that is of interest to you guys. We're also going to be doing oyas this year, which are a ancient irrigation technique suited for dry climates. I'm trying to think what else we're doing. There will be a food forest going in. I have a long list of things I decided to do this year because I have a very hard time pacing myself. So there will be project after project this year, and if you'd like to come along for the ride in some capacity or another, really I'm just looking for some sort of external validation that this is worth putting on the internet. So if that's of interest and you'd like to see any or all or some of that, just let me know below. And if not, it might just remain relegated to my hapless Facebook followers. So yeah, chime in below. Feedback is appreciated. Thanks. Bye.